Okay, I wanted to start this video off kind of on a kind of on an understanding note. This is Kaylee's and Savannah's friends video. Like Evan, their children don't. No one's even gonna watch this, so I don't know why I'm like making a disclaimer. Whatever. Also, my potty mouth. She's an issue. I said a lot of not appropriate words. Did I cut all of them out? No. Did I cut like half of them out? Maybe. If I cut all of them out, we wouldn't have a video. Okay, now I am like, okay, introducing themselves. Come on, let's go. Get Savannah, you first.
This is my hand. This is my hand.
Yo, names, energy, come on.
My name's Kaylee, and my girlfriend's Wasa.
Okay, come on.
My name's Farrah, and my boyfriend's Benjin.
Okay.
Hey, you.
My name's Hannah.
You didn't introduce your boyfriend.
Yeah, my boyfriend. My boyfriend's Lucas. Okay.
Okay. Do you have scissors?
No. Mine don't need scissors. You
Struggle.
could use the comb. Oh, we're doing the SuperM unboxings.
You guys have one version. I have Super.
We have, me and Savannah have the same one. It's the one version.
There you go. Oh my god.
Okay. Okay. Wait, I'm nervous.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Oh, can they at least be quiet?
No.
It smells so like. It smells like Play-Doh. Oh, what's that stuff you use? Mod Podge. Oh, I never smelled that before.
I hate Mod Podge. Ooh.
Whoa. Okay, well. Oh my god, there's so much stuff coming out at once. Oh my god, yours is backwards. Sorry, girls. Oh, there's words? Oh. Oh my god, the photo cards are hidden inside this box, aren't they?
Probably. Oh, the pictures are so
Ooh.
nice. Oh, you got.
Is this pink hair?
Oh, look at those Kai pictures.
That's nice.
Oh, and that one. Kai, what are you doing here?
The real question is, why does it smell so good? I know.
The mealtime reactions is gonna be so weird. Why does it smell so good? I'm not cutting.
I'm gonna put these in a candle. I'm serious. There needs to be an album scent candle. Oh my god, it's so sexy.
So is Lucas.
Wait, why is he pulling his? Oh my god.
God.
We'll have to take turns with Kaylee's to see what hers looks like. Ooh.
Ooh.
Wait. Oh my god. I thought you had green highlights for a second. Oh.
It's so pretty.
Oh man. I'm not ready to do that yet.
Yeah, I know. We'll wait.
Ooh. Haha, Lucas.
Get out.
It smells so good. Why is Kai so toothless?
A mealtime reaction of us huffing and puffing on my albums.
This is my favorite page to smell. Which one? Let me smell your page just real quick. Wait, do they smell the same?
They smell.
I think. Yeah.
Yeah. They even made them the same fact, and I assume they smell. Wait, Lucas.
Ooh, I have a talent for this one. Nice. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Oh my god.
Okay, I'm nervous. So. Oh.
I don't want to see. Okay, just. I'm not showing you. Just pull out like this. Oh, there's one here. Oh, okay.
Wait, I got Taman.
Oh my god, we better not all get Taman. Did we all get the same? Oh my god, that card's so cute.
This is Taman, am I? No, that's Taman.
Oh! Yeah, that's Taman. Oh my god. Okay.
What?
Oh my god, I got this guy.
Okay.
But I can't find the other one. Hello.
Is this on the box?
I don't know.
Oh,
Maybe it's
man.
hidden in here.
Where the fuck's my hand at?
Because if this was in here, and then I got this postcard, I got I got Taeyong postcard. If they don't come with all of them. Hey, I cannot find mine. Hold on. Hello, photo card. Please come out.
What the? I got Taeyong.
Ooh, I like mine. I like mine
Yo,
better.
I got Taeyong. Again.
I'm still
Oh,
scrolling. Oh, there
really?
it is. Okay.
Okay.
Wait.
What?
Well, you got lucky, Hannah.
No, you got Lucas?
Yeah.
Wait. No!
And then I got this group.
Oh, I'm shaking!
I got this one.
Oh, that's my boyfriend, guys!
I like this one.
Oh, I'm shaking. Ooh.
You got lucky this time. What is this?
Wait, can I show me in comments?
Yeah.
Oh, I showed my postcard and you guys did not.
Savannah! Okay, so
Just
this...
act like you didn't see
Kaylee
it.
got...
I'll make it more.
Mom, Savannah... Look, okay, so that's the one...
They
Not me.
switched.
It was a lie. Mom,
Wait, where's yung third one, Kaylee?
Oh, what third one? I didn't look at
Yung
it.
sa-
I didn't do that one yet.
Savannah.
Well, let us see.
Faithful.
Get-
She's back to normal
Ooh,
size.
she got 10.
Right?
Okay, Savannah, let me see Young's.
see my what?
This is like a
Tongues.
full-on ID badge. Why is it so
Where's
big?
yung third one?
This.
Yeah, where did it go?
Okay,
What did you get?
she got Kai. And then we have the same little gung out card. And then...
Wait, you got Kai photo card and then Kai this?
No. She, that...
Yeah, yeah, but then she had the Kai photo card.
No, she had...
No,
Lucas.
you guys switched.
Yeah, we
Oh,
did.
wait, no, never mind.
We didn't
I was thinking of
switch.
something else, sorry. I
What's
don't
in
know.
there?
One.
Just the CD, 2, 3.
Oh my god, I got Taeyong.
I
no
got
way.
10.
Oh my god, did we get the same one?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Savannah, show it to the camera.
They already see it.
It's the same.
Yeah.
Wait, this is like Christmas. I'm gonna shit myself.
Do you mind proposing a switch?
The cone. I think the
Oh, the one that fell out? This
Probably.
thick one?
Yeah, I think the thick ones go in there.
Their ID card.
Now kind of
Oh
like...
my god, guys, look what I got.
Puts it back and then click. Oh, we should. I'm gonna. Some of the aesthetic things it says. We look like vultures. Yeah, shut the fuck up.
Me?
We get the. Okay, Young's is orange.
What is that even?
The CD.
Oh, I already looked at
This
that.
thing.
It's an accent.
Oh, it's so pretty. Wow.
Oh, they're the same.
I think the same, but Young's is orange.
I can't even see my CD. Oh wait, never mind. Oh my. Oops. Well,
You know, it's the CD on my bed.
hey, so my fault if they made it easy for it to fall out.
His clear raincoat.
Okay, and then all that's left is the posting.
Oh, it's over so soon.
Oh, I know. But we have the NCT ones coming out.
Oh, but that's like forever.
Well, no. Well, yeah.
Plus shipping. Okay, I'll reveal mine
Yeah.
first since it's different.
Savannah, do you want to reveal Young posting since we have the same one?
No, you can reveal.
Okay.
Wow. Isn't that neat?
And then
Are you serious? It's black and white. This is an apostrophe.
Savannah, you're blind. You're
Apostrophe.
going blind anyway. Are you shaking?
Why they cut Taeyong off so much? Is there?
I don't know. He's a looking though. All like Lucas.
Okay, goodbye. Yeah. Savannah, and you gonna. Why are you so feral?
I'm not fair.